What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. We're going to show you what's going on in the shop this week. Austin's been doing such a good job, and some of the other guys from the shop with this. I had to come back and show them I still know how to do this. So I've been down in Florida at that store getting that set up. I'm heading back down there today. Maybe we'll hit you with a what's in the shop there as well. But right here, Austin's working on a ceramic coating. This is on a Super Duty. What's this one getting, a Fusion? Cool. It's getting the interior and a Fusion. It's a 2017. They're going to be polishing the paint. That's what they're working on right now. Terrell's over here in the tint bay working on another Super Duty. This one's lifted up in the air. It looks really good. I like that wheel and tire combo on this thing. Tinting just the front windows, I assume? All right, so we're matching the front windows to the back. We've got a window out of a Mustang. The owner of this car has a roll cage in it. We couldn't tint it, so he pulled the window out, so we could tint it. You can tell spring's coming because we're starting to see Corvettes again. We love working on vets. This C7 is no exception. We did paint protection film on the front end. It's next in line for a ceramic coating. We had a C8 in here as well. I don't know if it's still out in the parking lot or not, but it's Corvette season again, guys. And Mustang season. We've got a Mustang GT. This one's getting a coating. I believe it is totally done as of this morning. Behind me on the lift here, Aaron is working on a really cool car. This is an X5M competition. I get the 5s and the 6s confused. And this color's called Urban Green. And we're doing a full protective film wrap, ceramic coating, windshield protection, window tint all the way around, including the full front windshield. Basically every service that we offer, this one's getting. This is for our really great friend Nick. He brought us his GT3 RS before for the same stuff. M5 competition as well. This car's cool. And behind John here, we've got a 2500 Denali, and this one got a ceramic coating. It's curing inside, ready to go home today. Again, it's starting to be that time of year. Bikes are coming out, trikes are coming out. This one's getting paint protection film. This is our full package. So we do the front end, the front of the front fenders, the part where your knees are, all that stuff gets beat up and hit with bugs and rocks, especially these flares on the trikes. So this will get a big piece of protective film all the way up, and this centerpiece here. And these covers on the side where the passenger's feet are, these get scratched up really badly, so getting those protected as well. So in the wash bay, we've got a really cool Bronco. I love these things. This one got a stealth wrap on white. It got ceramic coated. You can see the water is just beating off of this thing beautifully. We tinted it as well, so this one got a lot of our services. It looks awesome in stealth. All right, we're outside on this beautiful sunny Miami day. Just kidding, we're in Pittsburgh, it's raining. We've got a GLS 450, getting a full wrap, tint all the way around, and a ceramic coating. It's back. I think all that's left is the roof to do on this. Mitsubishi Outlander, this one got window tint. Hyundai Palisade also got window tint. And a BMW 5 Series, this one's getting a full paint protection film wrap as well. Lots of full wraps this week. Another skid loader for window tint. This is like the 4th one we've done for Mr. Barbish. So he keeps buying new Caterpillars and we keep tinting them. We love it. This Super Duty got a paint correction, so we polished out some minor scratches and things. And we've got a Rocky Ridge edition Super Duty back there. That one's here for a quick cleanup. We don't do a lot of detailing anymore, but every once in a while somebody needs one done and we help them out. Toyota Venza. This one got paint protection film on the whole front end. Ceramic coating, tint all the way around, including the full windshield. So this thing looks good. They really redesigned these. These are significantly different than they used to be. And another Corvette, the C8. It is still here. We tinted the windows on this one. We also did paint protection film on the front bumper. And last but not least, here in Latrobe, we've got a Panamera hybrid. I love these cars. This got paint protection film on the whole front end. It's getting a ceramic coating. It's basically on deck for the coating. The film is already done. That's what's up for what's going on here in Latrobe. We're going to go over to Gibsonia, see what Luke's got going on with his team. I know they're busy too. I'm going to hop down to Miami, see if we can catch it before the end of the day.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so it's time to check out what's going on in the shop here in Gibsonia. Behind me, I have 2 vehicles in for the same thing. I have a 2021 C8 Corvette and then a 2016 Porsche GT4. Both got full wraps, the Porsche and Stealth, the C8 and Ultimate Plus. It's not uncommon on full wraps especially to come back in after at least 2 weeks to check over the edges, touch things up, and just check over the whole job in general. So that's why both the C8 and the GT4 are both here. Over in the ceramic coating area, we have the GMC Sierra Denali. This got PPF on the full front clip, hood, fenders, front bumper, mirror caps, and then we're going to be coating the entire thing this afternoon. That includes all the paint, the tonneau cover, any other accessories, the running boards here, along with all the paint. We also tinted the front 2 doors to match the rear factory tinted back windows, 20% on the front 2 doors and a 5% windshield visor. Behind me here is a set of wheels for some kind of truck. I'm not sure what kind exactly. A customer bought aftermarket wheels for his vehicle. One of them coated prior to install, so we corrected and coated the wheels. Now they're ready to go for the customer. Next up is this beautiful 911 Turbo. We coated this vehicle back in Latrobe a couple years ago, and it's back here at the Gibsonia shop for its annual ceramic coating checkup. And here we have a Chevy Silverado 2500. This is a completed job here. Mark did a great job correcting the black GM paint, which is always a task in itself. So we corrected all the paint, coated everything, and it's ready to go for the customer to pick it back up. Tint bay, we have Brandon tinting the front two doors and the visor on this 2019 Ram 2500. The customer wants to match the back windows with the front windows and make it so driving into the sun is easier with the visor to help reduce the glare. And we have Mark over here in the ceramic coating area doing a C8 Stingray R. This paint is very, very clean, but we're going to polish out any factory imperfections, swirls, scratches, get the paint looking perfect, and then we're going to coat the entire vehicle in XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coatings. We also tinted the front two doors and the small inner cabin window in XR 20% window tint. Behind me here is a Ram 1500. This is next in line for a paint correction and Fusion Plus ceramic coating. We're going to be coating everything, including the aftermarket running boards, paint, plastic, glass, and the wheels. There's a Ford Expedition. This customer got a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Steve did this one, polished out all the paint, coated all the paint. These aftermarket wheels, which we'll show in the video as well, will be pulled off, cleaned, corrected, and coated the wheels as well. Next up is a Ferrari California T. This got some PPF on the front last week. We did the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors, and the rocker panels, which what that includes is going to be the rocker panels themselves, along with a door up to this body line here, and then a piece behind the back wheel as well. It's also in progress of being tinted too. We're doing the front two doors, the quarter windows, and the back window, and XPEL window tint. That's all for what's going on here at the Gibsonia shop. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's going on, everybody? It is Wednesday, so let's take a look at what is going on at the Blackout Tinting Miami location. Let's take a walk back here and see what we got. All right, so coming back into the workspace, we have the Charger Hellcat. This is just in here for a quick cleanup. I absolutely love how this color looks underneath of these lights. It is absolutely incredible. Dodge did a really, really good job on picking cinnamon stick for this car. Over here, we have a Toyota GR Supra. This was actually brought to us by our friends over at Car Renters Club. If you are in the Miami or Hollywood area and you are looking for a cool car to rent, definitely check out Car Renters Club on Instagram or check out their website. I have personally rented their Supra 3.0 last week, and I'm testing out the 2.0 this week, but they have a couple of other cool cars in their stable that you can check out, so be sure to check them out. We went ahead and did a complimentary wear and tear package for them, so we did see some PPF in the door cups as well as the door sills down here. That way the next people, whoever has this car, does not scratch up or scuff those areas. Over here we have a Ferrari GT4C Lusso. This one is getting a full paint protection film wrap the whole way around. It is getting window tint on all of the windows and a XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. And then over here we still have the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. This one just got its final wash and final cleanup, and it is ready to go home. It should be leaving this week. So that's all we have going on at the Blackout Tinting Miami location. Be sure to check us out and follow us on our social media to stay up to date on all of our cool projects that we have up and coming. We got some pretty cool cars coming in the future here, so let's keep at it.